Hey, we're back again. It's summertime, it's hot. Ryan Schulze, Oregon Outdoor Lighting. I got Jeff in the back with me. We're gonna show you a project that we really changed out the whole lighting, what they had before, and redid it in a totally different design. It's gonna be sweet, you're gonna enjoy. Let's walk. So they originally had path lights. Standard path light sticks up, 18, 20 inches off the ground into the shrubs, and it was getting blocked. The whole section of front, you couldn't even tell these path lights were there. They're just little tiny glows. So what we did is eliminated them and put well lights, flush in the ground, so it shows the curb, but then it shows the grasses when they come over. So now you get that illumination effect all the way across when you come in to your entry drive. From the street view, when we're looking at the front section of the home, they had this awesome retaining rock wall on the corner. This was not shown previously, and I really wanted to bring that out, so we did the wall washers. We did the mini wall washer at the ground, shooting up, so now that rock wall gets a nice effect when you see it coming up. You gotta have a kicker again, right? Let's take a walk. Okay, so we highlighted the home, but this would have been missed right here. So what do we do? Look at that guy, right in the stair. Who does that? Only the best. All right, so if I did not do that light in the stair, I would have had a dark pocket right here. So that allowed me to show this area, and then obviously we did up here as well. We did the same well light, flush, hit this pocket on the other side of the front door. All right, so driving down the drive, what we did is instead of doing the transition of those same well lights, we did the P10 path light. So the fixture actually sticks up, but it shoots out. And the reason why we did that is because the client really wanted to make sure the driveway was lit and you could see the drive. So we shot lights out on the drive, helping you go down. Obviously the trees are lit as well, but we wanted to continue these path lights shooting out along the drive. And then when you come in through here, I'm gonna give you that before and after shot, and it's gonna be impressive. Here you go. Okay, end of the drive, you come in and you see the retaining wall with the shrubs in it. Originally they had path lights, once again, stuck in that bed, shooting down, did not do much at all. So what we did, eliminated them, used the well light. I went flush in the concrete, showing the retaining wall, and then actually shows the shrubs. So you'll see the effect it does. And then when you bring out the home, I wanted to show obviously the rock work to continue on the home, and then just that pocket of light to help kind of give you that entry when you walk into your front door. All right, in the backyard, gotta get ready. Okay, this is sweet. So what we did, there was existing lights all along the deck railing, all the way across, and you could see the wire, you could see the fixtures, and I wanted to make this a lot cleaner. So what we did, it's called an S1 halo light. We sent them flush in the bottom of the concrete, and then it shoots up and shows every other, column along the whole deck rail, so then it illuminates the whole rail without seeing a fixture stick out during the day, but it does the job at night. And the beauty with this fixture is I actually had to talk to the manufacturer because this is a saltwater pool, and I did not want to have the aluminum of the fixture rust or tarnish. So I had them put a special stainless steel casing on the outside of it, which made it, I don't have to worry about this anymore. It's gonna stay that same concrete color the whole time. So there's two different seating areas off the the back deck. So one with the fireplace, I wanted to bring out this area tremendously because that's what we do, right? So I did the strip lights around the fireplace and then around the whole bench area as well. So when you see that before and after shot, oh, you can tell me how great does that look. All right, so kitchen window right here looking out. We continued the railing look with the lights flush, and then I wanted to show the palm trees. One of the coolest features, you gotta show them. So brought that out. Transition down into this other seating area. We did the strip lights all around the whole perimeter of it to really give it that glow. So if you're sitting there with your buddies and wanna hang out, you can have that. And then here's the beauty. You can use your phone, turn that on or turn it off in this section. And if you want to do the same thing, turn it on or off in the other section where the fireplace is, you can do that as well. So you can enjoy Best of both worlds. How about that? All right, hopefully you enjoyed this project. It's hot. Until next time, I'm taking a dip. Oh, that's salty.